What's up YTV, this is your boy DJ Y and I'm back with another episode. Today legendary 50 Cent was celebrating his new television project H0micide premiere. This is very special tribute dedication to all the young fallen soldiers of the hip hop. This movie is about King Von, XXXTentacion, Pop Smoke. Literally 50 Cent brings out some unheard stories to the table behind their tragical deaths. Only bless, no stress. I want to wish you everything best, all the YTV fans. Now guys, it's time to show you very dope speech of Curtis 50 Cent Jackson at H0micide premiere. Check this out.
Look, the project is so relevant to the day. Like you see the things happening in Houston with Takeoff. You see PMD Rock in California. You see Draco the Ruler in California. You see Young Dolph in Memphis. You know, and hip hop is something that you don't really can't work in it. You can't. You're in it because this is a culture. So you find yourself loaded with information about people that you're not necessarily interested in them, but you know what's going on with them. And they're in different territories. The music, you may not even be a big fan of the artist, but you'll be aware of the circumstances that they're under. And there's different points. But this project is really important, and you'll see more and more as people get a chance to see.
So guys, here was some few friends of 50 Cent who attended the premiere for WeTV's investigative series H0micides at the Crosby Street Hotel in New York City. Guys, honestly to say, 50 truly deserves his flowers for his job in movie industry. This man always trying so hard to make his best. This is why he always making some dope and high quality projects, man. He is always on point, man. Guys, also don't forget about his Europe tour with Tony Yayo and Uncle Murder, man. They did nearly 30 shows in front of the millions of the fans. Man, numbers never lie, man. This is why 50 Cent is one of the best. This is true facts, period. So if you like our video, don't forget to subscribe YTV, get the notification bells, and visit hiphoptvy.com. Before I will finish the video, I have a question of the day. Please guys, honestly, tell me what is your all-time favorite collaboration of 50 Cent?
Slow down, get up from the dough now. Old town, full town, I need you hear it both now. Showdown, slow down, get up from the dough now. My flow, while you're slow now, you're on my hometown. Now tell it from the main act, my heart's a little bit cracked. The feeling of the head right, when I'm face to face with fucking odds. I slaughter all of you, with the sharpened eyes, with the sober rhymes, with the purple eyes. I never love the lies, I never take the advice, I never see the flies. I'm in the time expired, what I outside, fucking target, yeah. Cause I have graveyards in my motherfucking pocket. So showdown, slow down,